Hello, everybody. My name is Daniel Howard. My group was Bryce and Mark, and today we'll be going over our Charity Run web application. So this app allows us users to make a account for a 5K race. We review our race details, manage profiles, and for admins to kind of go over and be in control of all the runners. But yeah, today I'm going to walk you through all the features, demonstrate any error handling, and explain how the design kind of comes back to what we learned in class and how it supports the overall user experience. But yeah, with that being said, here is our home page. So the first thing I kind of want to point out when it comes to class is that we have a clear visual hierarchy. We have the top tells you the title, what we're doing this for, why we're doing this charity run, and what we're donating to. Um, so that's the purpose of the application. And then as you come down, you see register now, runner login. So if you already had an account, you can go log in. If you want to register, just register right here. So welcome to the race and register online, check race details, etc. Here's the charity part on the bottom left. Then we have race details here, race day schedule here. And then another thing we kind of added for kind of more easier navigation, and also we have some more visual engagement here. Creates a nice little layout and look. Um, so we have this picture, and that was just added because we wanted to kind of let the user see a run and just kind of demonstrate that people are doing this. And then down here in the details part, we have a map. So this is the map of our run, which is at Charleston Waterfront Park. This is a 5K, and this kind of shows you the map layout and what you're going to be running during the race. You click on it, it zooms in. And that was the big thing we kind of worked on, is making sure the zoom in worked properly. And that just helps more with usability and accessibility, um, and gives the user a sort of feedback, and that directly responds to users, which is nice. So next thing I wanted to do was register. So let's hit register now button, and boom, pops us over to the register page. Alrighty, so I'm gonna enter in a quick little thing. Let's just make the account Daniel. No, let's do something else. Let's say Mark, and this is Mark at Gmail. Oh, let's do it without Gmail. Mark.com. Say Mark's 20. Emergency phone number is random numbers. And we'll say Mark's Runners is the name. And let's create an account. Oh, please fix the highlighted areas. Well, we have. That's not a valid email address. Oh no. So let's change it. Same13 at gmail.com. Alrighty, and this is not a valid phone number. Oh. So it says 843 444 4444. Create login. Boom. Now we're logged in. Alright, now we have a login. So I'll just do a different one that we're going to log into here. Let's just state, let's do Daniel2 at gmail.com. Password is 3. Alrighty, let's show password. Alright, so now we can see our password. Enter in here. So now we're at this page. So now we're at the login, the registration page. We just kind of went in a little bit of error handling. You see a little inline validation errors, error prevention and recovery. So it will tell you what needs to be fixed, what was wrong with it, and then lets you refill out the information and register. So now we want to log in. Got my login ready. Boom, takes us straight to the dashboard part. So that was kind of shows that was easy, consistent, and just show password also allows some usability. Um, keeps it easier so you don't accidentally enter in the wrong thing and you know what you're entering in every time. So now we're at the dashboard. Dashboard page appears. So this will show you a little bit more like the visibility of the system status. So you know where we are, what we've done. Um, so we also, as a team, really wanted to focus on some real-time data interaction and also to improve kind of organization and readability on this page. So to eliminate all the extras, we just have here your dashboard, your name, email, who you're running with, who your status is, any teammates. So right now it was solo. Race day check-in, bring in all this info, schedule again. It's really nice to have. Now we're gonna go to the admin page. So I am an admin. Now let's say we want to make an admin. Let's make so we demoted admin earlier, so let's make him an admin again. So admin runner. Let's log on this out. Admin at example.com. That's for this admin. 1, 2, 3. And log in. So now when you come in, oh, it shows he's an admin. When I hit demote, uh-oh, why isn't it demoting? Because you can't demote yourself. So the next part, let's demote Daniel. So click demote, let's refresh. Go to admin, boom, Daniel is now demoted and is no longer an admin. Which, I mean, this just shows role-based access control, which is nice. Um, Data visibility and easily managed. You can manage everything from here. Um, yeah. So, I mean, that's pretty much it for this. Now we're kind of looking at the overall of everything, what the design was. So we wanted consistency, feedback, good error prevention, good accessibility and navigation. And that's really what we wanted to hit on with each of these buttons, the dashboard, login page, register. Um, the way you see it, it's all easy to find, handles everything that we want it to do. But yeah, in closing, this shows our front end and back end compatibility and a good website page that we can use. I want to thank y'all for your time. Bye bye.